Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to activate Royal Pass in Royal Match. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your Royal Match app, and once you're there, be sure to be logged into your account as it provides various merits to use in the game. Now, the first thing that you need to know is you should be above level 27 in order to activate the Royal Pass in Royal Match. So, once you are level 27, what you need to do is simply head over to the shop. And once you head over to the shop, what you need to do is scroll down or scroll up until you find the Royal Pass option right here. Now, the Royal Pass option uses 1900 PKR. To activate it, all you gotta do is simply tap on this Royal Pass option, and then here you will have exclusive bonuses until the event ends, like 8 lives instead of 5, golden profile picture frame and golden name, and you can give to your teammate. Now all you gotta do is just simply tap on the 1900 PKR button and then follow the on-screen instructions, and once you do that, you'll be able to successfully activate the Royal Pass and then enjoy the merits of the Royal Pass as well. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.